Going to love the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.